If you want to stay ahead in the fashion game and keep up with the hottest trends of 2025, this video is for you. Today we are bringing you the latest stiletto high heel moles and trading sandals that will not only elevate your look but also add a touch of elegance to your style. So stay tuned till the end because we shall be sharing some exclusive tips of take your fashion game to the next level. Imagine stepping into a room and all eyes turn to you. The soft click of your heels echoes confidence, elegance, and power. You are not just walking, you are making a statement. Welcome to Fashion Forward, where we bring you the most exciting trend setting and glamorous footwear fashion for 2025. If you love stilettos, moles, and all things high fashion, this is the place to be. But stay with us because today's video is packed with must know trend expert styling tips and exclusive insights into the newest high heel and mole designs for 2025. And trust me, you do not want to miss a single second of it. Let's dive right in. High heels have been a symbol of power, elegance, and confidence for centuries, but what makes them so irresistible? They instantly boost confidence. Heels elevate not just your height but also your self esteem. They define your style. A good pair of heels can completely transform your outfit and your or arrow. They make a statement whether it's for work, a party, or a red carpet event. The right heels make you stand out. But in 2025, high heel trends are evolving faster than ever. What's new, what's in, and what's out? Let's take a look. The hottest high heel trends of 2025: stiletto heels, sleek, bold, and glamorous. Stilettos are not going anywhere in 2025, but this year we are seeing some exciting twists. Ultra pointed toe designs giving that fairy's edgy look, metallic finishes and crystal embellishments perfect for evening glam, asymmetrical straps and cutouts bringing futuristic whips to your footwear. Celebrities and designers are pushing stilettos to the next level, making them more innovative and stylish than ever. Moles, the ultimate fashion of comfort and style, backless yet bold, the effortless slap on trend continues to dominate. Chunky black heels with sleek pointed moles, you can go casual or formal with S. Textures that speak volumes, think velvet, stun, and mesh overlays. Moles are no longer just for casual wear in 2025. They are being reinvented for high fashion events and business meetings alike. Transparent and glass heels are movement in real life. Heels giving a modern futuristic aesthetics, crystal embedded straps adding a luxury touch. Inspired by luxury brands, Bellman, Jimmy Choo, and Laborations are making waves, and with these trends, how to style heels for different occasions in 2025. Office look, go for kitten heels or sleek pointed toe pumps. Natural colors like nude, beige, and soft pastels work best. Pair them with a power suit or a midi dress for an elegant corporate look. Party glam, metallic stilettos, glittering embellishments, and bold designs will make you stand out. Pair with the stunning mini dress or a high slit gown for maximum effect. Everyday elegance, comfortable black heels or stylish moles make a great choice for daily wear. Style them with leg jeans, skirts, or even athleisure off outfits for our trendy casual vibe. But wait, there's a huge mistake people make when wearing heels. Are you guilty of it? Let's find out. Biggest high heel mistakes and how to avoid them. Wearing the wrong size. Always measure your foot size. Always measure your foot size before buying a new heels. Not considering comfort, choose brands that offer cushioned soles and arch support. Walking incorrectly, never walk flat footed in heels. The sacred heel to toe movement. Ignoring maintenance, heels need care to store them properly and clean them regularly. Avoid these mistakes and your heels will always look flawless. 2025 designer high heels. Which brands are leading the fashion game? If you love luxury fashion, these brands are setting the standard for 2025. Christian Louboutin, always iconic with their red soles and sky-high stilettos. Jamie shoes, elegant, timeless, and perfect for any glamorous occasions. Amina Madri, the queen of stylish molds and futuristic heel designs. Dior, bringing in experimental shapes and textures. Which brands is your favorite? Let us know in the comments. Budgets with luxury or designer heels worth it? Luxury heels, if you want durability, high quality materials, and exclusivity, go for designer brands. Affordable fashions, many brands offer stylish trends heels at a fractions of the prices. The real question is, would you invest in high end heels or go for a budget friendly alternative? Comment below. How to walk in heels like a supermodel. Wearing heels is one thing, but walking in them like a pro, that's an art. Posture is key. Stand tall, shoulders back, core engaged. Small confident steps rushing on will only lead to discomfort. Heel to toe movement. Never walk flat footed in heels. Practice on different surfaces. Train yourself to walk on carpets, slippery floors, and outdoor pavements. Follow these tips, and you will be walking like a runway model in no time. Taking care of your heels make them last forever. Clean them properly. Use the right cleaner for leather, suede, or synthetic materials. Store them in dust bags or boxes. This prevents scratches and damage. Rotate your pairs. Avoid wearing the same heels daily to extend their lifespan. A well maintained pair of heels can last years, so take care of them like your prized fascinations. Final thoughts. What's your heel style for 2025? We have covered everything for trading styles to expert walking tips, brand insights, and even common heel mistakes. But now we want to hear from you. Which 2025 high heel trends is your favorite? Are you a stiletto lover or mole enthusiast? Would you splurge on designer heels or stick to budget friendly options? Drop your answer in the comments below and do not forget to like, subscribe. Close your eyes and imagine you step into luxury events. The lights, glamour around you, and the soft rhythmic sounds of your high heels commands attention. Heads turn, conservations phase, and all eyes are on you. This is power of the perfect pair of heels. And trust me, you do not want to miss a second of this video if you like fashion. Before the dive into the hottest 2025 trends, let's take a quick journey back in time. Have you ever wondered why high heels are such a powerful symbol of elegance and confidence? Did you know that high heels were originally worn by Persian warriors in the 10th century? They used them to secure their feet in stirrups. Later, European nobility, including king, made heels a royal fashion staple. The feminine revolution. By the 20th century, high heel had become an iconic part of women's fashion, symbolizing grace, sophistication, and status. Fast forward to today, and high heels have evolved into a must-have accessory that defines elegance, power, and boldness. New, let's talk about what's hot in 2025. If you love heels, get ready to be amazed because this year designs are pushing the limits of fashion. Geometric stilettos, think sleek, futuristic shapes inspired by modern art, spectral design, twisting, curved, or asymmetric heels that look straight out of a runway show, metallic and charm accents giving the ultra modern high teach vibe. These heels are not just footwear, they are a masterpiece. Transparent and glass heels, the effect. Luteus heels are crystal details, perfect for an ethereal, dreamy look. Holographic and iridescent finishes catching the light from every angle. Glass heels are becoming a celebrity favorite, and we are seeing them all over major fashion runways. Strappy and lace-up heels, sensual and chic. Delicate thin straps, perfect for a burly their look. Gladiator-inspired high heels, warping up the legs in an elegant, seductive way. Ankle warp moles combining the ace of slap-ons with the bold statement designs. If you want to make your legs look longer and more speculated, this trend is for you.